Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to register on AdvCash. In this AdvCash you can create a bank account which is online, which you will be able to use to make transactions on cryptocurrency like on Binance, blah blah. Sometimes you might have an account which will not be accepted, so AdvCash is really good on some of these cryptocurrency apps. So let's go. If you have a browser on, you can just open it, or we can visit AdvCash website either on your phone or on your computer, so we can do it both. And I will go to AdvCash right now. Right, already. AdvCash.com. So you can see it's open now. It will let me create a free account. So in this page, if you open it, you will see this page. As soon as you arrive in this page, just try to click create free account. Just click it, then let's see what comes up further. Alright, just accept cookies because it might be okay for you, depends on you. So in this very case, you're going to fill your name, blah blah, so then we move forward. After filling up your details, you have to, this is the case, you have to drag this dot. You have to drag this green dot to lock this password. This shows that you are human, because a robot can perform this action, because many robots can create this username just like you do, programmers. So this proof who you are. So let's go. Alright, so complete a simple KYC verification, get access. Alright, I'm in now, but they will need my verification, my personal verification. So I prefer to use my phone number, and then yeah. Going to send me a code which I will confirm right now. Alright, I've got my code. My code is alright. This is the code I got. Okay, perfect. Okay, let me insert this code right now. Okay, perfect. Alright, so let's see what's up. So you can see getting verified is easy and will not take a lot of time. Usually we review all documents within several hours. Sometimes it may take a little longer. All the information you submit is protected by our privacy policy. I don't know if it's true, but it's just like that, So if you wish to do anything else, you can just navigate and change whatever you want to change, do whatever you want to do. Okay, so I will also need to verify my passport. You can see, and in your case, you will need to verify your passport. It's all on you. It's all on you, girl. It's all on you, bro. And now that I verified my phone number, and I will like to verify my passport ID. So in this case, I will select my country. Alright, then I continue, just click continue. And then they're going to need you to take a selfie of you. After that, you're going to snap your passport ID. So I'm not going to show this place, but it's easy. So when you're doing yours, I just transfer my data to mobile, so everything automatically logged out here, because I want to complete my verification due to some scam and others, because I would prefer to use my phone. And this is it, and nothing much. After your verification, you have to wait for a few hours, or might likely take some hours, or I don't know, depends. So you get a result according to your details, if your details are accurate on the website. So just make sure you input all your details, because it's going to involve your real account linking to avoid any error during transaction. So thank you guys, and I hope you invite more viewers to discover my channel and get more useful stuff, because what you don't value, some other people might value it. That's what you should think. So share to your friends, and let's help each other expand. Thank you.